Have you ever wondered where color comes from? Our world is literally filled with all kinds of colors, yet most of us seldom take the time to understand what is behind the science of color. What it is, where it comes from, how it works. Is it magic? Nope, it's chemistry. So much of our daily lives are impacted by color. Stop, go, hot, cold, hello, goodbye. We rely on color more than we realize. What is color exactly? The color of an object depends entirely on how it interacts with light. The light spectrum is huge. It includes everything from gamma rays to X-rays to even FM and AM radio waves. And this tiny rainbow-colored section represents the entirety of visible light. That is, the light that we can actually see. Visible light is commonly identified by 6 main bands: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. These 6 bands combine to form white light. When white light strikes an object, some colors are absorbed by the object and some are reflected. The human eye then only perceives the reflected colors. Consider an apple, for example. The color red is not actually in the apple. Rather, the surface of the apple is reflecting the wavelengths we see as red and absorbing all the rest. But what about the extremes like black and white? Are black and white colors? Scientifically speaking, white is not a color, but the sum of all colors, as shown in our previous demonstration. Likewise, black is also not a color. Black is the absence of light, and therefore the absence of color. We see examples of black and white all over nature. For example, salt and coal. Salt appears white because it reflects all visible light. Likewise, coal appears black because it absorbs all the visible light. Consider this demonstration. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll be using a laser pointer to represent light. Properly speaking, a laser does not behave exactly the same way as white light, but it will serve as an effective substitute in this example. We're shining a laser at salt. Notice how well the laser's beam is reflected from the surface of the salt. Because it reflects nearly all visible light, our eyes perceive salt to be white, or in this case, red. On the other hand, have you ever heard of the expression pitch black? Pitch is a viscoelastic polymer that is derived from petroleum, plants, and coal tar. As you can see, it is entirely black. Let's see again in this demonstration how the laser behaves when it strikes the surface of the pitch. Notice that the laser is completely absorbed by the pitch. This is because the pitch absorbs all the light striking its surface, resulting in its black appearance. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please hit the like button below. See you next time.